I sat down with 2 room attendants on the Crown Princess and interviewed them. I let them tell their story about what life is like on a cruise ship, and I've got that interview for you here. My name is Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Let's get into it. So we're here today on the Crown Princess. Today is our second sea day, and we've got a room steward here visiting. A little interview. We're going to ask him some questions. He's going to tell us some stuff behind the scenes. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, hello, my name is Chimika and I'm from Sri Lanka. Okay. It's a small island situated in middle of the Indian Ocean next to India, and I'm from there.
Perfect. Awesome. That's great. And we're on the Crown Princess. We're going from Vancouver to San Francisco. You just finished the Alaska season.
Yes.
Is this your first season to Alaska?
Yes, it was my first season to Alaska, and it was a great experience to me, and I'm so lucky to be in there. Yeah. And it was really nice. And this Hawaii season also very nice. I'm excited to go there as well.
Oh, okay. That sounds great. So how long have you worked for the cruise lines?
The cruise lines, actually, this is my first contract. I just completed my first contract.
Yep.
And this is my second one. So
okay.
Actually almost 1 year. I'm very new to Princess, and I'm very new to cruise line as well.
So you were saying, so this Alaska season was your first time ever working on a cruise ship?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. So you flew from Sri Lanka?
Yeah, I flew from, actually I came from Dubai.
Dubai, okay.
I worked in Dubai.
Yeah.
And from there I got this opportunity to join with Princess.
Yeah.
Then from Dubai I came to Princess.
Okay, and then you flew to Vancouver. Is that where you first started with the ship?
I came from Dubai to Honolulu. Okay. From Honolulu, I get on the ship.
Okay, because this one did a Vancouver-Honolulu 15-day cruise.
Yeah, before.
Okay. Oh, that's incredible. That's an incredible story. Well, this is your first contract, or end of your first contract. And how did you like it? How do you like working on a cruise ship?
It's amazing and marvelous. It's a really big thing to me because I can travel around the world and I can meet very nice, amazing people like you.
Thank you.
I'm really enjoying with the people, and I can see their happy faces, happy smiles, and this job never makes me boring, and I'm enjoying my job and I'm assisting to the passengers. It's really nice, and it's a really nice.
Good.
Seriously.
So how busy are you? What time does your day start, and how busy are you throughout the day?
We start my shift around 7 o'clock, then 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock we are working straight, then 1 o'clock we will get our break time, then after that we come back to do the turn down service around 5:30. Then 5:30 p.m. to 9 o'clock we are doing our evening service.
Okay, so that doesn't sound too bad, but that's every day.
Every day.
Do you ever get a day off?
Sometimes we get day off according to the availability.
Okay.
We can take the day off.
Okay. Is there anything about your job you don't like? I got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one. It is sometimes we face rough seas. It makes me really difficult. That's the only thing.
Okay. Good. Good to hear. Good to hear. Excellent.
But I try to manage that one.
Yeah. So what is the best thing about cruising that you like about being on a cruise line?
The best thing, I have great team here, sir.
Okay.
Very nice teammates like Armando, and they are always helpful, and honestly our leaders are really helpful.
Okay.
And they are always supportive, and especially I need to tell that, and because of their support we are very happy.
Oh, great.
We can serve to the guests in a happy mood.
Great. Well, it sounds like a good family. And
yes. This is like a second family, and this became our second home as well.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Nice.
Do you miss your home and your family?
Yes, I miss my home, but the good thing is Princess gave us a free access Wi-Fi to the WhatsApp, so I am always calling to them every day.
Yeah.
I call to them and I'm sharing my experience with them, so I not feel I'm so far away from the home.
Okay. Do you have a wife back home?
Yes, I am married. I have a beautiful wife up there.
Yeah.
And she's with their parents.
Yeah.
And I will go home.
Yeah.
This end of June.
Oh, that's a long way away.
It's a long way, but it will be very fast.
Okay, good. Oh, it'd be so nice when you see her again. But at least you get to talk to her a lot on the internet, online.
Yeah.
So that's great. Well, we've got this other guest over here. If you want to change spots, come on over. So this is our room steward, my room steward today.
Armando.
Armando, would you like to introduce yourself and tell me where you're from?
My name is Armando from Philippines, and I'm 21 years in service in Princess.
Wow, just with Princess Cruises.
Just Princess. I'm loyal.
Loyal?
Yes.
That's great. Oh, congratulations. So, have you cruised all over the world then, being
Yes,
21
yes,
years?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, being a seafarer, working in the cruise line, this is our privilege to go anywhere, worldwide,
Yeah.
in a free, we don't cost anything. just work and go ashore.
So, is there any part of the world that you like to go to when you have a chance, or your favorite areas?
My favorite area is Venice, Barcelona,
Yeah.
and New York.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you get many opportunities to get off the ship when you get to the ports?
Yes, it's up to us. We decide if we want to go ashore.
Mm-hmm.
But most of the time, if I'm feeling tired, I go sleep.
Well, you don't get too many days off, do you?
We don't have days off.
No.
Just mid break.
Mid break? Okay. So how long are your contracts typically?
8 months.
8 months?
8 months.
Okay. And then do you get a break between those 8 months, or is it?
Yes, break with 2 to 3 months, and then
Okay.
another contract.
Oh, so you can go home and relax at home and
Yeah.
have someone else cook for
Time
you and have someone else
time
clean
for-
your bed. And
Yes.
My
wife.
Instead of you making my bed every day, someone else can clean your toilet. Yes, okay, that's great. Is there one thing you don't like about your job? And it's okay to say, because everybody has something about their job they don't like.
Yeah, like everybody feels any like pressure of work, something like that. That's the only thing that I don't like.
Well, you've been here so long, you probably cope with it quite well. What is the best thing about your job?
The best thing, I support my family very well. They are studied in the nice university because of my work.
Oh,
Of
that's
course,
great.
because I have a good salary
Yeah.
here. Yeah, and that's the best thing.
Oh, that's great. Good. And then I guess being here so long, you see other crew members leave, and then do you see them come back over time? And
Yes.
You get to see them.
Sometimes yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my colleagues. I work for the other ship.
Yeah.
And then with some of my colleagues working together here again.
Oh, good.
Like we never seen like 15 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's
Yeah.
wonderful. Have you worked on all the Princess ships?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All Princess ship.
Which is your favorite?
My favorite is the Regal Princess.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That's a new ship.
Yeah.
Not brand new.
Yeah.
But it's like a 4 years old ship.
Oh, that's still brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah. And which ship don't you like? The Crown Princess. No. The Crown Princess. No, he's lying. It's true. It's true. No, I'm kidding.
No.
I'm kidding. You don't have to answer. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm sure you make it what it is, and you get to know your way around the ship. That must be difficult going to a new ship with a new layout. Everything's
Yes.
different, and you get
Yeah.
lost right away, probably. Have you been on an inaugural sailing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in Inagural Sailing, Diamond Princess,
Yeah. Oh.
way back like 2004,
Yep.
and Royal Princess,
Okay.
and the Regal Princess.
Okay.
Yes.
That must be exciting for you
Yeah.
because everything's new.
If we don't have happen the pandemic, I will be open the Enchanted Princess also.
Oh,
Because
congratulations.
that time I'm like For me, I'm a inaugural team.
Oh, okay.
For
Oh.
the princess ship, yeah.
Oh, that's congratulations. That's great.
Yes.
That's great news.
Yes. I have a lot of experience opening the ship.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as a room attendant, is there a tip you can give cruisers to make your job easier? One tip.
Oh, just follow all the procedures.
Yeah.
Like adapt any changes.
Yeah.
Because if you are a hard follower, you cannot it cannot be easy for work. So
Okay.
all of the changes adapt.
Yeah.
All the policies and procedures adapt. That's
Okay.
it. You can work easy.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
great.
Just follow all the procedures.
Now, something that gets talked about online is sometimes, unfortunately, we're not stopping at any ports, but sometimes cruise ships, like say when you're in the Caribbean or in Hawaii or wherever, you stop at a port for a day, and some people like to buy their cabin attendants a gift.
Yeah.
Is there a gift you guys would like to get, or just a nice tip at the end of the cruise? Like, is there an amenity? Is there like something special you guys would be a real treat to have on board?
Oh yes.
Or just money?
I have a lot of like souvenirs on the different ports.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Because, I was collecting the like magnet.
Oh.
So all of my port that I visit,
Yeah.
I have a magnet, something like that.
Oh, okay.
So,
that's wonderful.
When I go to my retirement,
Mhm.
I can show that all the places I visit that
Oh,
place.
that's great memories. So, what is the worst experience you had in a cabin?
Oh, the worst experience, if the guests have a dog,
Oh.
it's all over the hair. You know, the hair is all
Oh,
over,
head hair.
so it's hard to maintain that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's hard
If they
because
need
it's gonna be problem for the next guest.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's gonna be problem for the next guest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just wondering. I know somebody who actually brings their dogs on cruises. So.
Yeah.
But I believe their dog is.
Yeah,
doesn't shed.
it's a nice dog, but you know,
Mhm.
our job is to maintain the cleanliness and something like that. But
Well, I have to say, you've done a fantastic job in our room.
thank you.
I do have to admit that we sometimes do straighten up before we leave the room. Just that's who we are.
That's all right.
You know, we try not to leave clothes all over the floor and try to organize stuff. But I think you guys do a fantastic job. Especially this cruise is my first Princess cruise. How long does it usually take on average to clean a room?
Oh, and like disembarkation or something like that.
No, like every day. So
Oh,
in the
every day?
morning, how long?
It's
or in the
minimum
afternoon?
of 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just come
And
in.
then disembark
It's a different story.
Yeah, of
because,
course you have to strip everything
Yes.
and clean
Okay.
more. Nice.
From time to time, guests make requests from you. They'll phone you up asking for something. What is the most unusual request a guest has had?
Usual request.
Yeah.
Hmm?
A nice bucket.
No, the unusual.
Yes, we have somebody just off screen.
I don't remember, but
Uh-huh. Okay, so nothing too. Okay. Oh, here's a question I have. On Princess Cruises, can people get a coffee machine delivered to their room?
coffee machine?
Yeah.
No
No?
coffee
Is there a
machine.
place to plug it in?
There's no place to plug it in on this
Yeah,
cruise ship.
yeah.
Yeah.
But some of our ship have,
Okay.
yeah, especially the one doing the Europe, in
Mhm.
Europe, yes, and in Asia. But here in Western, I don't see any coffee machine in
Okay.
They provided like hot water pot,
Okay.
so they can make a tea inside the room.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'd like to thank you both.
Yes, thank you.
Do you want to come in again? Move over.
Move over, Chimika.
Chubby guy. So we've got, we've got Chimika.
Oh, sorry.
We have Chimika, brand new, learning from the old pro Armando, teaching him all the proper ways to be a great cabin attendant. I'd like to thank you guys for coming and being interviewed and expressing yourself. And we've had a great experience, and I hope you guys continue working for Princess. Thank you.
It was lovely, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
We are so happy.
Those are the interviews. I hope you found them interesting to hear the perspective of somebody working on a cruise ship. You've got somebody on their first contract ever with a cruise ship, and you listen to somebody who's been with the cruise line for 21 years. I've got some bloopers and some outtakes coming up. If you want to watch that, that's great. There's going to be another little video that's going to show about here somewhere. Watch that. And then at the very end, you're going to see those funny videos pop up here if you stay that long. Anyway, if you don't watch any further, great. I'm glad you watched this video. There's some funny stuff coming up. I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, my name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. And as always, get your cruise on.
All right.
Anyway, so I'll edit that out.
Am I doing good?
It's however you want. It's great. You're perfect. Yeah, you're doing good. I'll put that part in there too. Oh, come in. Come in.
We are going to famous.
Your changes here.
Well, have a wait. Well, I'll just finish with him, and then I'll talk to you as well.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you can sit there. No?
So what is the best thing?